She's a 58 years old YouTuber.
I am 58 years old.
And she claims to be making a significant amount of money from her YouTube channel.
And it is a significant amount.
And she show you a progress from day one when she started her own YouTube channel till to the day that YouTube sends her a first paycheck.
Money from Google AdSense went into my bank account just 2 days ago.
Her name is Jenny, and I hope you guys will learn so much lessons from our video. So this is her.
Hi, I'm Jen. I am 58 years old. I'm single, I live alone, hence the name of my channel, Silver and Solo. And I have no experience in video editing, video making, video anything before starting this YouTube channel. I had no experience with YouTube even before I started this channel. I really did monetize my channel in 10 weeks. I started the channel in May of 2023 and didn't upload a video to it until July of 2023. And that was just me walking my dog. It got 0 views. The reason that I started the channel was that I had booked a cruise and I had never been on a cruise before. And so I typed, "How do you cruise?" And up came YouTube videos. So I started watching YouTube videos about cruising. And I just thought to myself, I should take video on my cruise and upload it to YouTube. That's where it all started. I did end up uploading cruise videos from my cruise, and you can still see them on my channel, and they are horrible, but they're still up there. They're a testament to where I started. I uploaded those in September of 2023. They got like a few views, mainly from family. I put up a couple more videos in November and December of 2023, but also I had recently discovered that you could monetize your YouTube channel and actually get paid for putting up videos. And I just thought that would be pretty good. And so on January 1st, 2024, New Year's Day, resolution day, I decided to devote myself to getting my channel monetized. And at that point, I had 69 subscribers and 230 watch time hours. So number one, commitment. I was going to make one video about my analytics every week. And I was also going to make what I was calling my Silver and Solo video midweek every week. So 2 videos every week until I was monetized. And I put that into my brain and I committed that to myself. Consistency. All of the YouTube experts giving advice on how to get your channel monetized say that consistency is key. You have to do at least 1 video per week. Number 3, you have to watch YouTube videos in order to learn. You can't just wing this on your own. You've got to watch other content creators. You've got to watch the so-called YouTube experts. I'm linking some of the channels that I watched pretty religiously in order to learn more, not only about video making, but about how YouTube works. One video that helped me was a video of someone interviewing Mr. Beast. And one of his pieces of advice for new YouTubers hit me, and he said, your first, I think 10 or 20 videos are going to suck. And there's no getting around that. And I fully agree with that. Don't worry about it. And don't let that stop you from starting a YouTube channel and trying to get it monetized, that you're too embarrassed. Because the other thing that Mr. Beast said was to improve one thing every video. So yes, your last video sucked, but you're going to make this new video today, and today's video is going to improve on one thing. Baby steps, I can do that. I can do that. I can improve one thing every time I make a video. You have to learn, you have to learn, you have to learn. I didn't know anything about video editing software, and it was really intimidating to look at it. I'm going to post a screenshot of DaVinci Resolve, which is what I use for editing my videos. I had to watch dozens and dozens of videos and get over my complete lack of understanding of how to do that in order to make videos for YouTube. I don't have expensive equipment. I shot all of my videos and I continue to shoot all of my videos on my phone. It's an iPhone. I have a cheap tripod. I have a pretty cheap gimbal and a little microphone that I use. But other than that, I don't have an expensive camera. I don't employ anyone. I don't have special lighting. I shoot in my house and out walking the dog. Familiar places, easy to get to places. I do all of my editing at home. I do it myself. The big thing that I had to learn and decide upon to begin, and what you should always decide upon first before you start making videos, is what is your niche? What are you going to focus on? Figure out what you're going to make videos about. And every week I made one video on Sunday outlining my analytics and my progress so far, and one video midweek on my silver and solo topic, my niche.
A really quick gentle reminder here for everyone: if you have not yet started your own YouTube channel, if you have not created your own YouTube channel, there is a video on my playlist. You can go and watch a video that I have made explaining a step-by-step process on how you can set up, you can create your own YouTube channel correctly and as a beginner. So just go ahead and do that. And let's go back to our video.
Things were not going very quickly, but I was seeing some progress after week 6. And in week 7, that sort of all came crashing down. In week 7, I had a total of 1 new subscriber. And I was pretty down. I sort of likened it to my previous employer. I had worked at another job for 22 years and they let me go when I was 53. And that was a shock and disappointing, but you know, it didn't beat me. And so if that didn't beat me, having 1 subscriber in 1 week was also not going to beat me. This isn't gonna make me turn away from my mission to get the channel monetized, even though 1 subscriber in a week is not that great. But looking through the comments on that week 7 analytics video, someone made a comment and asked to know more about my experience of being let go from a job I had been at for 22 years. And so I thought, okay, yeah, I can do that. Why not? And in week 8, in the analytics video, that job loss video had driven subscriptions and driven views that week. 29 new subscribers, better than 1. And it was, you know, sort of an eye-opener that if you listen to the people in your comments, you can learn what people want to see. And that would be my next tip is listen to your commenters, listen to the people who are already subscribed to your channel. What do they like to see from you? And I was willing to change my niche.
That is completely awesome. It is mind-blowing. But guys, at the end of this video, I have linked another video that I have made explaining you the best and the most profitable YouTube niches of which you can choose from, so that you can know for sure you are starting with the right foot front when you are starting your own YouTube channel by choosing the right topics, the right niches. I have linked that video at the end of this video that you are watching right now. So just go ahead and do that.
The next tip keeps on rolling from that one, and it is, if something is working, double down on it. So I made another video. So in week 9, that video went viral. In week 10, I had gained 1,700 subscribers and 3,100 watch time hours just from that one video. On February 29th, I reached 1,000 subscribers, which is the first thing that you have to reach in order to be monetized with YouTube. On March 3rd, I reached 4,000 watch time hours, which is the second parameter that you need to reach for monetization. So February 29th, I had 1,000 subscribers. March 3rd, 4,000 watch time hours. I was invited into the YouTube Partner Program. And that was week 10 of me trying to get my channel monetized. I don't know if I got lucky, but I know that I worked really hard for it, that I did the commitment, I did the consistency. I studied YouTube, I listened to the advice, I watched other creators. I wasn't afraid to try new things. I had a niche, but I changed it. I tried new video styles. I learned how to do video editing for myself. I didn't buy expensive equipment. I just used what I had. I didn't shoot in exotic locations. I shoot in my house. I shoot walking my dog. These are all things that if you put them all together, your channel is going to be a success. This video is a prologue to the upcoming Sunday video that I will be making, where I reveal my analytics for my first month of monetization and how much money I made from YouTube. And I recently got paid. Yes, money from Google AdSense went into my bank account just 2 days ago. And it is a significant amount. Not going to tell you how much right now, but tune in on Sunday and I'll walk you through it. If you're learning anything from this video, if you liked it, please hit subscribe, like.
The real issue here is that there are two kinds of people when it comes down to YouTube. And the first group is type of people who are watching YouTube videos for the sake of entertainment. And I cannot lie about this because I am one of those. I am one of those people who are watching YouTube videos on a regular basis for the sake of entertaining myself. So it's a good thing to do. But on the other end, however, we have a group of people who have vision and they are taking YouTube, they are treating YouTube, and they are making a business out of YouTube so that they can make money out of YouTube. I was intrigued to click this video and to watch this video because of the age of a person who was behind that video. Can you imagine a woman of a 58 years old to keep on trying new things, trying new stuffs for the sake of making money? We are on the information era, and the information nowadays is like a commodity. So when you give people information, they will pay for their attention. Take these lessons into practice. Please make sure that you start your own YouTube channel. You don't know what in future, what will YouTube brings to your life. And I know for sure that if you change your perspective when it comes down to YouTube and start treating YouTube as a business and start crafting and making YouTube videos, in the future, I know that it will pay off. It will pay back your time and it will be worth it to do YouTube. Please make sure that you are not living empty and a testimony changes the way you think of YouTube so that you can start taking advantage of the YouTube platform. Stay tuned and see you on the next video. Bye bye. So this video is deliberate and I dedicate this video to everyone who loves to make content on YouTube and with the intent purpose of making money in the future from their YouTube videos, from their YouTube channels. Okay, so guys, this is it, and here I'm just walking. I'm going to town. I am just stretching my legs to make sure that I'm not being lazy. Okay, so that's it. This is international school, as they call it, and so many people in here. Everything is good. No chaos, no violence. Everyone is having his time.